Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Yeah, let's take a look at the lower degree wave count because big picture wise not much happened. We still see the move up into the January highs as a wave 1 and then a WXY correction to the downside, in which we had an A wave, a B wave complete. A B wave peaked at around 5 cents in April, and we're now coming down in this 5-wave move within a C wave. A C wave consists of 5 waves, and it was the absolute correct decision to remain short-term bearish here on the chart. I know a lot of people said, all my charts have been pointing towards the downside for the last few weeks. But yeah, I mean, I can't lie. The trend is down, and we are now in a turning point area, in a trend reversal area where the price can turn around at any time. But just be careful that don't think price will automatically reverse. I mean, this is an area of probability where price is going to turn around with a high likelihood, or at least if the bulls are strong enough, it should be doing it here. But obviously there's no automation, right? So it's not guaranteed price will do that. Therefore, if you are scaling in on the way down, I can't give you financial advice, but I can tell you what I'm doing. So I started to DCA slowly, or scale pyramid into some positions, not GALA, but some others. But I keep the positions very small until we have a trend reversal confirmed. Okay, so at the moment we are still moving down. As you can see here on the 4-hour chart, no, it's actually the daily chart, the trend seems to be slowing down a little bit. That is pretty much in line with my analysis. So for weeks we've been talking about this 2.56 cent level. Yesterday the idea was to come down a bit lower, probably put this wave 4 in at some point. Looks like this wave 4 here might be a triangle, which is hard to count, right? But this is sort of what we could look at potentially, that it bottomed here in a third wave, potentially the 5th wave of the third wave, potentially here on Wednesday, and that we are now getting a bit of a retracement in a wave 4. Again, as long as price stays below the 2.82 cent level, I think there is significant downside pressure. What we need as a confirmed trend reversal is a 5-wave move to the upside, followed by a 3-wave move to the downside, basically making a higher low. And then ideally we want to see that 5-wave move up also go above resistance, above this wave 4 high. So at the moment the idea is still to go lower unless we see that 5-wave move to the upside. And I prefer just to wait for that confirmation, for that trend reversal confirmation, because let's be honest, this move down can send us back to new bear market lows. I don't think it will at this point. I don't think it will, but the chances are certainly there. The wave count would still like to have one more low, but you also need to understand that GALA has done enough in this correction. It doesn't necessarily need one more low, okay? It's just that on the lower time frame, it would be ideal. It would be the ideal pattern, but there's been enough occurrences where that last low just didn't happen. But then again, you need to balance out between, okay, do I wait for that last low? Do I just wait or not do anything? Or do I start to slowly scale in if I believe that we are in a larger uptrend, or that the bull market might have started, or at least a more significant bearish rally, which could send us a bit higher? Do I scale in? But that's up to you. At the moment I can tell you we are exactly where we wanted it to be, around that 2.56 cent area. I've been saying for weeks that most of these targets are between the 2.56 cent level and the 2 cent level. These dotted lines here all point towards targets, possible targets to the downside. Looking at the proportions, it seems likely or reasonable to assume that somewhere between 2.5 and 2.4 cents that next wave will be. And then we just need to see, do we react bullishly, or is it just a very weak reaction to the upside and we come down lower? So the volume is still very low. From that point of view, I think we are close towards the end of the correction. Bearish news coming out everywhere, but then it's all up to the bulls when they come back, and can they actually generate an impulse. I will let you know when I see an impulse. At the moment I don't, but the downtrend is slowing down a little. So yeah, hopefully you liked the update about GALA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.